So how did you feel about traveling to India for a knee replacement surgery?
Initially, I had my doubts,
Okay.
but that quickly disappeared after speaking with Dr. Ameya. We had calls, we had video consultations,
Okay.
we spoke. I quickly was able to understand his level of experience.
Okay.
And I was quickly convinced that it's something that he can do. Like I said, part of my initial doubts was around the quality of care.
Okay.
I was a bit, doubtful if I was going to get the same for my mom.
So were you comfortable with the stay here in
Yes,
the hospital?
the staff, they've been top notch. Everything was clear in terms of care plan, what should be happening at every point in time, and every time we needed a staff, there was someone to attend to us. So, I mean, to be fair, I won't complain.
Post surgery, did she experience pain and?
She did.
Yeah. Okay.
She did post surgery, but Dr. May also explained that is expected.
Was it managed well? Was it managed?
Yeah, it was managed very well. The doctor saw her every morning.
Okay.
Before, during, and after the surgery. So that was really very reassuring.
So how quickly was she able to move out of the bed around post surgery?
The next day. It was 24
hours. The
hours.
next day?
Yeah,
okay.
24 hours after the surgery.
Okay, it's that's really nice. So, how would you rate your overall experience of the surgery, the knee replacement surgery which you had in Goa, the overall experience?
Fantastic.
Okay.
I mean, to be fair, and I don't say it because Dr. Ameya is here now.
And would you recommend this
Absolutely.
This place?
Absolutely. Yes. We are not local.
Yes.
So we have questions around accommodation, questions around feeding and all of that, which we had a staff who was able to provide answers to logistics questions. Yeah, she's satisfied with the staff. Yeah, that she doesn't have any problem with the level of care that she receives.
So even though so I won't do so. Let's see now whatever.
Okay, so I come down. So she's basically saying that she enjoyed the level of care so much that if this place was Nigeria, she will bring quite a number of her friends who have similar condition.
So the story behind this patient, the son is a banker in UK. He could not see his mother suffering in Lagos. He went to a couple of doctors back in Lagos in Nigeria, and everybody told him he needs to go for a knee replacement. But these facilities are poor in African countries. So he decided to choose one of the countries to come for a knee replacement, and his choice was India. He contacted a couple of people, and finally he decided to come to India when he went for an application in his UK bank. And there, when he did an application, the person whom he gave the leave was a Goan. Fortunately, his mother was operated by me also a couple of years back. And he told him, where in India? And the son said, yes, it's in Delhi. I'm planning to go for a knee replacement. He said, if you're going all the way to India, why don't you visit my place, Goa? Just that word Goa, come to my place and I'll meet you to the best doctor whom I know there who has operated my mother. That's it. He changed his complete plan. He came straight to Goa for a knee replacement. And there you can see her so happy walking post-operative.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you.
That,
Thank you.
You guys tried for.
God
God bless you.